Hello, today I'd like to introduce you to a pair of databases that can help you find and recommend books. They are called NovelList Plus and NovelList K-8 Plus, and they are available to anyone with an Ocean County Library card and an internet connection. If you don't have a library card yet, you can fill out an online application on our website or stop in at your local branch. To access NovelList Plus or NovelList K-8 Plus, as well as all our other great online resources, start at our homepage at theoceancountylibrary.org. Under Resources, select Databases. From there, you can browse all our databases alphabetically, narrow it down by one of the available tags, or search for it. I'm going to type in Novelist and hit search, and once I scroll back down, I see I've got Novelist K-8 Plus for younger readers, and Novelist Plus for teen and adult books. Click View, then Open Database, and you will be prompted to sign in. Enter the barcode number from your library card, a 14-digit number starting with 23160, and hit Sign In. I am using the K-8 version, but navigating the other is very similar. Once you're logged in, there are a lot of options right on the home page. You can select an age range and browse some books arranged not by genre but by appeal terms, such as action-packed and fast-paced. On the side, you can select an age range, pick fiction or nonfiction, and find a recommended reading list. Or try the appeal mixer to see what you can find to fit your current reading mood. Select an age range and then explore appeal terms related to character, pace, tone, and more. Let's say I want to read about an awkward character and I'm looking for a moving story. I set the parameters and hit Find Titles. That gets you a list of titles that might be just what you're looking for. If you click on a title, you can get more information, including reading level information and published reviews. Along the side are suggested Readalikes, and you can see what lists and articles feature the book or author. Finding Readalikes or books in genres I'm not a big reader of are two of my favorite ways to use NovelList. If I'm helping someone who just finished a book they liked, I'll use The Disaster Days by Rebecca Behrens, and they want more like it, I can find that title and check out the list of Readalikes. I can also click on a genre to pull up a list of books that I can refine further using the options on the left. It's also often worth investigating the Lists and Articles tab. There are actually even more resources in these databases. Look under Quick Links for some pretty cool stuff, and I recommend exploring them. If you have any questions about this or any of the Ocean County Library's resources, please give us a call. Visit our website for information on our branches and other ways to contact us.
Support public libraries. Like, share, and subscribe for more great videos.